Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device through settings. First you will need to wake up the screen on your smart band, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. Oh, my bad, let's tap on it again. So settings and tap on it, and settings, scroll down, find the option called restart and tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and reboot your device. Like this. And now let's wait until the smart band is done rebooting. Like this. And that's how you soft reset this device through these settings. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.